What's up guys, it's Seawolf. So I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the differences in these Maxpedition pouches. I'm not going to go into what's inside them on this video just because I have in some of the other videos, but I just wanted to share kind of my opinion. This is straight up opinion what I'm about to give you guys on the way these look, the way they're made, and the colors and everything like that. Kind of why I picked these, not whether they're good or not. That's in the other videos, and the way they're designed and things like that. Just this one's very subjective. So these are kind of the two generations of Maxpedition pouches. You've got a Daily Essentials pouch. This is a Maxpedition Mini, a Maxpedition Beefy, and the Maxpedition Imp, which stands for Individual Medical Pouch, I believe. So here's my opinion. I actually kind of like the way these look for outdoors kind of stuff a little bit better. They're just kind of like more subdued. It doesn't feel so techy, I guess, which I like when I'm going outside. But as far as quality, I feel like they'd hold up exactly the same, honestly. I don't like the mesh on the older style as much as the new ones, just because that is so much tougher. You know, if you wanted, you got a pencil in this bad boy and pulled on it, this stuff would tear. But as far as just aesthetics, I actually really like these for outdoors a little bit more. However, these kind of got the little bit of a military look, and that kind of makes some people think that's kind of weird. So for kind of modern day-to-day carry, the newer style I think is a lot better. Also, the newer style feels much more waterproof. I haven't tested that yet, but it seems a more closed cell the way it's knitted. But anyway, you can tell they've just done a lot of research and a lot of design on how they did these things, from having this little loop for holding it up if you had several of them, you know, on a wall, to making this film to where you can put your phone in it. You got a seatbelt cover here, or a seatbelt right here. So just in general, I just want to make a quick video to show you guys kind of the differences, because you can see them side by side. So you can see right here kind of how they look. You see the generational changes. You've got this kind of hexagonal look, which looks super sweet, but it doesn't have that outdoorsy feel as much. And if that's something you enjoy, which I like, that's kind of gone. Not a big deal. It just looks a little bit more techy, but it also is a little less alarming if you have this in public. They're like, oh, that's just a cool little bag, instead of, oh, cool, he's got like a MRE or something tucked in this thing. So it just depends what you like. I'll show you kind of the bigger one. You can see the webbing difference. This is a, I'm not sure what it is. It's almost like a super high strength rubber. And then on these, you've got like these really tough cloth knitted, very common molly straps. So that was just a quick video I want to show you guys. That's kind of some of the differences, you know, in the generations of Maxpedition pouches. I kind of miss the branding on the front, just because, I mean, you paid like 20 bucks or something for one of these bags. I wish it had the branding on it in the front again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like it. You know, if you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.